Hey guys, if you are still confused with the trend trading strategy, then you need to watch this video to the end because that is most likely to give you profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so if you are on the Telegram channel, you will realize that yesterday I dropped four different trading signals on the Telegram channel. And of course, they all went out, as in they all played out just exactly we analyzed. And I'm really happy about this. So congratulations to those of you who are able to pick those trades. So people have been asking me how I'm able to generate signals like this. Okay, let me say this, not all the signals are always playing out the way we predicted, okay, or the way we analyze, okay, but at least we always have between 80 to 90% winning rate, okay, and this is a cool one, okay, so this is very, very important, okay. So if you two are able to generate signals like this on your own, I believe you will always have profitable trades on daily basis, and that is what I have been focusing my videos on, so that you too can always generate signals like this, okay, most especially with a very small lot size that I am using on this new trading platform that I am using, trading all these new assets. Okay, so this is so unique. So if you want to learn this strategy, kindly watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of it. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so this is very, very important, and I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. So if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, let me start with the first asset, which happens to be the next 1,200. I've always been telling you guys that if you have a good trading tool, it helps you to be able to identify all these things, the trend, the resistance zone, and the support zone. At this point, the market was at the resistance zone, even though the movement was not that clear, and of course, but all I know is that if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it's going to sell. And check it out, it's sold. If it had been during the day, we would have even milked it right from this breakout till this very moment, okay. But you can see we got the downtrend signal around there, we got the sell signal around there, and it kept on selling until it got to this region. This is 15-minute time frame, and that is the beautiful part of it. So right now it has gotten to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to move out, boom, move back on uptrend right now, give us the uptrend signal, give us the buy signal right here. So those that have actually jumped into the trade, probably those that are having this indicator, would have been making the market right now. So it's giving us another opportunity to buy around here again, okay. So this is so unique, okay. Let's move on to the next asset that we dropped signals on yesterday, okay. So the second asset, let me confirm, the second asset happened to be um, Pain X 1200. Let's check it out. Pain X 1200. This is Pain X 1200. It was a sell signal also. I realized that these had actually got into the resistance zone at the top right here. So it was unable to break out from there. So I believe that it's going to sell if it's not going to break out from there. So it gave us a downtrend signal. So we jumped into the trade, and of course, check it out, sold out. I mean, sold, and of course, got to the first TP. The second TP was delayed a bit, but eventually it got there. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So this is a unique trading strategy. Once you understand it and you have a good trading tools like this, then definitely you will always milk the market successfully. Okay, at least you will be having more profitable trades in most of your trading activities, and it will make it very easy to be able to analyze your assets very well. Okay, so this is very, very important. Like I have said, okay, if a trading tool is giving you up to 90% trading profitable trades, then I think you are cool with such strategy or trading tool. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so this has actually got into this support zone. If it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it should go back on buy trend. So you should watch out for that and follow the right signals. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset. I told you we actually posted four different signals in the Telegram group. So if you are in the Telegram channel, just follow up with what I am saying right now. Okay. So the next asset happened to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course, it was also a sell signal. Okay, so it got to the resistance zone at this point, so I knew it's going to sell. So it started selling, and of course, got to the first TP, but didn't get to the second TP turning back, but it gave us the first TP. And I think that was cool enough. Okay, so this is the only one that didn't hit the two TPs. Okay, the first two actually hit the two TPs. This third one didn't hit the second TP, okay, but it got to the first TP, and I think that's cool enough. So before turning back into an uptrend, okay. So let's check out the last one, which happened to be FX volume 80. It should be a buy signal. This is FX volume 80. This was delayed a bit, okay. It was delayed a bit because the market was not that, the movement of the markets was not that fast. Okay, so it was going up and down, and of course, it got to the first TP and just got to the second TP right now. Okay, so I think this is cool. This is on 15-minute time frame. You can imagine, guys. So this is huge profits already, and of course, I'm really happy we are able to achieve this. Okay, so this is now trying to achieve this. Okay, it's most likely for it to get to this region. That is if it does not have a turnaround around here. Okay, so it's most likely for it to get to this resistance zone. So if it gets to this resistance zone, that's going to be more profit for each and every one of us. This is not posted on the Telegram channel. It has gotten to the first and the second TP, which I posted on the Telegram channel. But if it decides to move up above this, then it may likely get to this region. Okay, and that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so guys, I'm really happy we are able to achieve this together. So just the way you are saying it, it's all about you getting the right direction or the trend of the market. Once you are able to get that and you are able to identify your support and resistance zone, then you will be able to make a good decision that will lead into profitable trades. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can achieve using this trading tool. Okay, so if you have any other question, kindly drop a question down there in the comment section. And if you want to contact me personally, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.